This is actually the DNPS Panther Carbine M4. This is the magazine.
Wind up.
Now, what? Actually, this is for airsoft, so you need to wind up the magazine just to put the ammo here. So, but in the real gun, you don't. It shoots in. This is now on automatic, semi, and safety. On automatic, you just hold the trigger and you go. On semi, it's just like a gun, so you just. And on safe, you don't do anything. So, this is my M4, and now Andrew is gonna show you how to really use it.
This is the M4 Carbine Panther Arms. Non-adjustable stock iron sight made of polyethylene plastic.
Well, the real M4 is made out of steel, and it's super hard. Now, this is for airsoft, so it's plastic.
However, the plastic has been formed beautifully, as you can see. If you pull the charging handle, you get a glimpse at the gearbox. This does not have an adjustable wind-up mag.
Because it just $140, you know.
The iron sights are fully adjustable. This gun shoots completely straight. This gun is durable and versatile. Also, due to its coming with the charging, the foregrip, it is very easy to aim.